Hello, I'm Pam Charron with Compass here in Sarasota, Florida. I'd like to introduce you to 749 Tailwind Place, a beautiful home in Lakehouse Cove, located in Lakewood Ranch, but with a Sarasota address. Come on in. This home was built in 2022 and has many aftermarket upgrades. The lovely foyer leads to a bedroom suite. Each bedroom does have a fully fitted closet and ceiling fan. Here is the den with the double glass entry doors, and the owners added a built-in with 2 desks and a clever storage cabinet to hide your printer. One of the nicest features of this home is the dramatic cathedral ceiling with beams, a built-in with lighted shelves, and an electric fireplace that can be enjoyed all year round. And take a look at this great kitchen. With over 22 feet of counter space, it's perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. The primary bedroom is spacious and has 2 walk-in closets. Look how light and bright this bathroom is. And let's not forget about the amazing outdoor space, as no home is complete without a heated saltwater pool and spa, an outdoor kitchen, and a wall-mounted TV so you don't miss your favorite show. Lakehouse Cove has terrific amenities such as a waterfront resort-style pool with spectacular sunsets, fitness, doggy parks, pickleball, and a boathouse too. The boathouse has a water taxi that takes you to waterside for shopping and dining. So what do you think of this fantastic home? I hope you've enjoyed taking the tour with me. And if you'd like more information or a personal showing, give me a ring at 941-993-3388. I'm Pam Charron with Compass in Sarasota, Florida.